All right, so Strider to 790. Here we go. Side of the vehicle. We know that one. We know that one. Moving on. We saw that. We know what we need to do. We know what we need to do. Progressively brake. Come on now. Mike LaPutte. Here we go. Side of the vehicle once again, but it was a terrible line of sight. We couldn't see around that vehicle. Let's go back just a little bit. This is going to be a line of sight problem. Can't see anything, can't see anything, can't see anything. Boom. Coming out. Swerve out of the way. Get back in. You did a good job. Is this Vegas? I think it's Vegas. All right. We're on an e-bike right here. This looks like a super. No, it's not a super. Kind of looks like one. Ooh, lost a little traction. What did we lose traction on? No buenos. So road surface hazards. Look at the road. Looks like dump, like doo-doos. There's the manhole cover. Manhole cover. We went over the manhole cover. The manhole cover was slick. Our rear tire has the power. As soon as the rear tire touched it, split out. There it is. Rear tire lost traction. E-bikes are fun, man. You don't have to pay for gas. You can go pretty far on a charge, and you can just pedal. And you can bring it inside buildings because there's no petroleum. There's no fluids. So I got one. I rode mine to work today.
I think so.
I get like 30 plus miles easily on a charge. If I want to do pedal assist, I can get 70. Nico Justin 2809. Here we go. Okay, line of sight problem. This is why you don't get behind a person. They were stopping. You panic. This was a brown stage. Slammed the brakes. So we're getting close. We're getting close. It's wet. You can see how it's a little bit wet right here. So maybe it's fogging up. He put it down because he put it up because it was fogging. So he's put it back down. We have terrible positioning. What I would be doing is I'd be maintaining this position right here or this position right here. Either way, I got space cushions to the left and right. And if this person slams the brakes, I can go up in here. And then while I'm trying to decelerate, I can decelerate in an area where I do have more total stopping distance. ABS didn't kick in, or he doesn't have ABS. As simple as that. Maybe he turned it off. But position yourself for safety is the biggest thing here. And we're not. Okay? So we're going through here. And we panic broke. Panic broke. Didn't hit anything. Just lost traction on that front tire because we slammed the brakes. Look how wet the tires are. It's just wet out. It's a no buenos. All right, here we go. Intersections, roundabouts, definitely gonna be an orange stage. He is staggered, so allowed himself to get away from that situation. All right, doing some wheelies, high risk, high skill. No gear. Wear some gear. Be a smart rider. Wear some gear. You're gonna hopefully not die doing that. Michael LaPutte. Okay, here we go. Good. He's letting this person's coming into our lane. Good job planning that. He saw that. He saw that that person was coming in and moved over and planned his ride. See how like it's almost impossible to see that. I want you guys to see this. This is a perfect plan right here. Perfect plan. He positioned for safety. He's in the middle, because we're at an intersection. We have left and right people. We have somebody in front of us. Let's put that back on the board. He's going to locate that somebody's moving over with his peripheral vision, and he's going to just adapt. He's just moving from lane position 2, the middle lane, to the other lane. So he's moving over from middle to the left instead of obviously over here. We don't want to do that. So he's right now right here. He sees this person. These wheels start to come out this way, just barely with the peripheral vision, and he's just going to do this. Adapt to this lane. That's all he has to do, and that's part of planning your ride. Okay, very, very good. Let's take a look. I'm gonna let that go off the screen. Go. There you go. Starts to come over. He's starting to come over, starting to get closer. We just planned our ride a little bit, and then we're moving on. Did a good job. This was good. This was good. Here we go. Going through here. No line of sight. Watch out for this person. Very good. Now we're moving over here. Oh, that was a little bit of a panic because we got surprised. Now I'm going to give this to him. There's not much he could have done. He just saw it last second. Wasn't anticipating that. Wasn't supposed to be going that way. I'm pretty sure it's a one-way street. But what happens when you become surprised and your skills don't work? You have gear. It's your safety net. If you fell down and hit your knee, but you have motorcycle protective gear with armor, hopefully it's going to absorb it, not shatter your knee. If you don't have anything, you hit your knee on the ground, shatters your knee, are you going to be able to work? Right now, think about that. Do you need your knees to work? Your mom does. So we're going to move on to this one right here. Shock of God. Good job. Moving through here. Lane splitting. Okay, whatever. Okay. Oh, good evasive maneuvers. Found an escape path. Did a great job there. Did a great job. So we're going to go through here. Now, what is that pattern? I want you guys to recognize the pattern. This is going to be right here. What is the pattern that we see right here? Let's go ahead and help you out a little bit. I want to just, I always want to help out. What do you think's going to happen? What do you think's going to open lane, Jonathan? Open lane. I think, what is that is that a radar jammer? Open lane, open lane, open lane, open lane, open lane, open lane. Drill that into your head. Drill that into your head. Open lanes are where people want to go. Whoa! And there it is. So we say the whoa, that's perfectly fine. We're not honking, we're not rev bombing. We are getting ourselves out of this situation. We have to find an escape path. This is going to be a red stage situation. We have to get ourselves going. We can't panic because we're just going to run into them. When we panic, we're just going to go straight and target fixate, slam the brakes, whatever it is. Let's get to 400 likes, everybody. And we're going to find an escape path. But where can we go? We have a vehicle here. We have a vehicle here. We can't just go immediately to the left. We have to find what's available. Can we go right? Possibly. But what's over there? You can't see anything around here because of the line of sight issue. Here we go. Moving on through here. Woo! Good escape path. Got himself out of there. Absolutely love it. The only way you can really find escape paths if you are paying attention. He's paying attention.
The show must go on, ladies and gentlemen.
Love it. Love the attitude.
And that was my fault, because, see, they don't see you kind of coming down here like this.
Can we say smart rider? Can we say smart rider?